Guys, welcome back to the channel. So finally got an Inta360 X4 just to vlog a little bit and show you guys what the experience is like on the GS when you Akra system, heel tech servo eliminator, which may or may not be needed, the Bren tune stage 1 for now. I am considering the stage 2, but I'm writing the stage 1 just to see how it feels. And the DNA stage 2 filters all into one. And let me tell you something, guys, this bike feels absolutely incredible right now. So I'm just taking some back hill roads by my house. Just a quick, 10-minute ride, 5-10-minute ride, just to show you guys what the bike can do. Sounds. The sound is coming through my helmet as well as the exhaust. I'm gonna do some drive-bys with my Inta360 on the ground, and then just kind of ride by it just to kind of let you guys hear what the sound is like on the bike. So thanks again for coming along on this journey. Hope that sound is coming through that exhaust note, but the bike sounds so good. A lot of rains the last couple of days here in Southern California, and the roads are extra slippery, extra sandy. Gravel's been washed down to the roads. So I'm trying to be careful not to hit something that's gonna make my day real bad. All right, let's set up the camera so you could so we could do a little bit of a ride by.